कीजिए।
In the journey of life, हम चलते हैं साथ, सफलता की ओर बढ़ते, never leaving our path. With every step forward, हम पाते हैं नई ऊंचाई। सफलता की कुंजी है हमारी मेहनत और लगन की कमाई।
Good morning, esteemed principal sir, honorable coordinators, worthy teachers, respected parents, and dear students. I am Sachi.
And I am Akshat.
Today marks a significant milestone in our academic journey as we gather for the orientation day of Chiri Goenka Public School, Agra. We are honored to welcome you all to this momentous occasion.
Orientation Day is a welcoming event for new students designed to introduce them to the school's culture, policies, and communities. It's an opportunity to meet teachers, peers, and staff while getting familiar with the campus and facilities. It's a chance to embark on a new journey, build connections, and create lasting memories.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Before beginning any program, we always perform a prayer to God. Therefore, I request you all to stand up, join your hands, and get ready for the lighting of the lamp ceremony. दिन है हम सब के लिए बेहद खास. As the great poet Rabindranath Tagore once said, the highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence. Let's embark on this academic year with curiosity, enthusiasm, and a passion for learning.
Our school's mission is to empower us with knowledge, skills, and values that shape our future. We strive to create a nurturing environment that fosters creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities.
Now, let's welcome our talented Goenkans to the stage for an enchanting welcome dance performance. Dance is a beautiful way to express emotions, tell stories, and bring people together. Our students have been diligently practicing to showcase their skills and cultural heritage.
On the darkest day, got me feeling some kind of way. Make me wanna savor every moment slowly, slowly. Let me tell me love how you put it on. Got me on the key, know how to turn it on. Never lie, my ear, the only words I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow so we can last long. Tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso.
tell beautiful, poetic things to the heart. Let's appreciate the beauty of music and its power to uplift our spirits.
Let's enjoy the melodious performance by our school choir.
हौसलों के तरकश में कोशिश का वो तीर जिंदा रखो, हार जाओ चाहे सब कुछ, मगर जीतने की उम्मीद जिंदा रखो।
कोई
Public School Agra is a renowned institution that has consistently demonstrated excellence in various fields. With a strong focus on academics, sports and innovation, the school has produced outstanding students who have brought glory to the institution.
The school's cricket academy has produced talented players like Rahul Chahar and Deepak Chahar, who have represented India in international matches.
The school's commitment to quality education and infrastructure has earned it several awards, including the C4 School Excellence Award and the Gayatri Devi Goenka Award.
Under the leadership of Principal Mr. Puneet Vashish sir, the school continues to strive for excellence and achieve new heights. Mr. Puneet Vashish sir was awarded the Thomas Mann Literary Award for his contributions to Hindi language and literature.
The award recognizes his book Mrityunjay and his efforts in promoting Hindi language and education.
Students Master Prince and Master Mrityunjay Sinha achieved impressive scores of 99.60% and 92.1% respectively in JEE Mains 2025.
The school's Pro Vice Chairman, Mr. Sanjay Agarwal sir, stated that the school's goal is to provide world-class facilities for education and sports.
Adarsh Das has brought glory to the school by securing first position in the 23rd Open National Real Gold Roller Skating Championship 2025.
The school has hosted the Taj Sahitya Utsav 2025 and 26, a grand literary event that featured notable personalities like Dr. Anu Kapoor, former Chief Education Minister of Uttarakhand, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal, renowned news anchor Mr. Anurag Muskan, famous writer and poetess Walid Jamal El-Esli from Egypt, famous Bollywood star Rajpal Yadav, Dr. Hariom, Dr. Malvika Hariom, Laughter Challenge winner Suresh Alvera, and many more renowned personalities.
Furthermore, students Abhinav of class 8D and Kunal of class 8C showcased their talents on the big screen of cinema with appearances in the movie Biru. These accomplishments underscore the school's commitment to nurturing talent and excellence in diverse fields.
It is our privilege to have a leader who embodies excellence, innovation and compassion. Our principal is a visionary educator dedicated to empowering students and fostering a culture of academic rigor and creativity. With his guidance, our school has flourished and Goenkans have excelled in various fields.
Congratulations to you, congratulations to all the students, because you bring positivity, you bring achievement in the school and the family and the parents, and the school become best. So credit to you, not to the teachers and the parents.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, esteemed teachers, and a very warm welcome to all the new parents here. My name is Anirudh Yadav. I am Deputy Director of Education, Principal District Institute of Education and Training, and also the Principal of Government Nursery Training College. Last year, I was sitting here, as you are sitting here today, with a fair share of excitement and anxiety like any other parent, because it is never an easy step to hand over your little one to a completely new environment. As an education officer, I always look at educational institutions with a critical lens, because this is our job, to find faults in educational institutions and also to help them grow. So when I was looking for the schools, where should I get my son Rajvardhan admitted? I met sir, and it was his personality which made me sure that I should get my son admitted here after meeting him. Also, I was not looking for a place just with good infrastructure. I was looking for a place which can provide a safe and nurturing environment to my son for his holistic development, for a place where he can live up to his potential in a safe and nurturing and a warm environment. While looking back at 1 year at GD Goenka, I can confidently say that I made the right choice. I welcome you all to GD Goenka family, and I wish your children very happy learning journey here. Thank you, sir, for inviting me.
You made our day, sir. Thank you so much. Because when you do anything for the society, and these kind of words always give the confidence and motivation. And everyone is looking for money.
Sitting over here. I'm Neha Bansal. My child name is Dhruv Bansal, who is studying at GD Goenka. So I want to share my experience with you. Last year I was looking a good place, good school for my child. I heard about many schools, but today finally I found GD Goenka. And I'm completely satisfied with GD Goenka, and there are few reasons I want to share with you. The teachers are very nice, very helpful. They are always ready to help you in school and after school. And this school provides a very healthy, happy environment for your child. This school provides many activities over here which keep your child happy, healthy and busy. And what about Principal Sir? He is a strong pillar of GD Goenka. Sir, you are excellent, you are wonderful. I have no words about you. You are a completely strong pillar of GD Goenka. And teachers, you are so supportive. You are always ready to the teacher, to the kids and parents. My child is very happy with his class teacher Kajal Shah. I want to share also my experience with Kajal ma'am. She is very nice, very kind, very supportive. My child is very happy with her, and because of these things, I have also enrolled my child Adira Bansal, who was studying in another school last year, but right now she is also here just because of many things. So I want to say only single line: GD Goenka is a perfect place for your child. Thank you so much.
The whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. Our principal's address has provided valuable insights into our school's mission and vision. Thank you so much, sir.
Our students' captivating dance performance demonstrates their artistic skills and confidence. Let's hear it for a superb dance performance by Goenkas on the stage.
बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क घंटा
operational excellence, ensuring seamless execution of academics. They play a vital role in maintaining consistency, quality, and efficiency across various departments.
Let's appreciate their dedication and hard work. Let's welcome our esteemed coordinators who have been instrumental in driving our school's initiatives forward.
Please welcome Mr. Anil Kumar Singh, Sir, Senior Section in Charge, and Academic in Charge, Mrs. Deepika Sharma Ma'am, Middle Section in Charge, Ms. Anjali Jolly Ma'am, Primary Section in Charge. Let's hear for them.
I, Anil Kumar Singh, the in charge of classes 9 to 12th. I'm always there for your assistance. Thank you.
Good morning, parents. I'm Deepika Sharma, Middle Section in charge for class 2A, and I will be available for all of you every time for resolving your queries, and you are always welcome for your valuable feedback. And one more thing, like from next week onwards, we are planning to schedule a meeting with our new parents. Like we'll be scheduling we plan a meeting, one-to-one meeting with all the parents for the child's performance, and we look into the areas of review. Thank you.
A very warm welcome to everyone. I, Anjali Jolly, as a primary wing coordinator, I would really appreciate your presence for this orientation day, as it marks the beginning of the session, and hand in hand we will surely achieve and walk through our vision. So like ma'am said, we will be available just a call away, and we will be scheduling a one-to-one meeting with all the new parents. So we want your cooperation for the same. Thank you so much and welcome to GD.
Teachers are dedicated to empowering students with knowledge, skills, and values. Let's take a moment to acknowledge the pillars of our education institution, our esteemed teachers. We welcome our Golden teachers on the stage.
Let's welcome pre-primary teachers on the stage.
Generally, when we go to school, and even we being as a student, we are trained by only one activity, sports teacher. She was the one who was teaching all the subjects, right? But this is going to have changed this philosophy. Some of the teachers are already, I think, in both directions. They are not in the school. But we have in activity department, means sports and co-curricular, 26 teachers. Those are teaching specifically. Mindset should be good tomorrow. Otherwise, you know the situation. A cricketer cannot teach badminton. Badminton teacher cannot teach rifle shooting. I want to quote one example. 6 years before, one of the GD won the world. This result is given by this team. So congratulations. You have sports teachers, activity teachers, even the dances, even the singing you have seen, no? The Sayara boy or whatever boy, that center boy who was dancing. Or I guess that name, what that boy? Adi. He is studying in the school playgroup. Is he there? You call him, meet him, you will find whatever he has learned, he's learned from this premises only. And we feel very happy to see you over here. Congratulations once again, dear teachers. Keep working very hard. We have a different responsibility. We are not a factory. We are not a physical industry. We are society makers. That is why we consider you a goal. Teachers को इसलिए भगवान नहीं बोलते. हम society बनाते हैं, हम product नहीं बनाते. Thank you. Because this is having one of the worst section of the school transport department. It is such a service, even the day you find we are not, making you happy, any one of you who feel, I can be better, you come and handle this department. You will come, you cannot change our life, you cannot change our conditions, you cannot change even the temperature. Yesterday when there was, showers, we were very happy. You can wear blazer properly, our AC is in the buses is very effective, temperature is very low. So he had such a department. Dushan ji, आपका काम बड़ा मुश्किल है. So please motivate him.
To share some views with you, today I am in the same position in which you are standing right now. I have admitted my child in this section only, Yagi Pratap Singh, in class first. But I know Principal Sir from the last few years personally because we are from the same fraternity. I am managing Boston Public School and he was principal of this school. As a person, I like him very much.
One second. She is owner of Boston School. You should say like that.
So we are from the same fraternity. As a person, if you can say Puneet sir, how can you define Mr. Puneet sir? So he was a person who is having a very pure soul, very kind-hearted. As a human, if you can say, right now education is like a business in the States. We all were moving towards the business, not as the educators we are going on. But as a human, if you can count the Puneet sir, he was the person who is making education as an education. Maintaining the education in the form of giving them a perfect, you can say the guidelines that is given by the parents to their child. He was providing the same things to the child. I am giving you the surety, he is the one in the Agra who is holding the principal position from last so many years.
16 years.
16 years, he is the one. It is a very difficult task to anyone to hold the same position in any institute for a very long years. I can say this because I am running an institution. It is not a very practical process to maintain the position. For the next year's sake. But the who is managing this school, who having this trust on him, the way he was trusting on the Puneet sir, it was very, very difficult process to satisfy the parents, to satisfy the society, to satisfy the person who is holding this institute. They are having so many expectations, and after maintaining all the things, he will deserving his position from so many years. Congratulations, sir. The person you are, I like this so much. Seriously, he was very pure from the soul. आपको कभी फील नहीं होगा कि आप किसी अथॉरिटी से मिल रहे हो, किसी ऐसे पर्सन से मिल रहे हो who is having some attitude or who cannot understand your feeling. आपको तो समझेंगे नहीं, आपको कभी फील नहीं होगा ऐसा. Thank you so much.